Thank you, Jolene. Our In Your Corner team has an update tonight involving a woman with a rare medical disease. It causes benign tumors to continuously grow on her brain. In 2008, we first introduced you to Karen Niles, a wife and a grandmother who's on the verge of going blind. Tumors had already claimed one of her eyes, and a new tumor was rapidly growing toward her other. She contacted us because she couldn't get MediShare, a healthcare member sharing group that pays her medical bills, to pay for her surgery in Arizona. MediShare was no longer allowed to operate in Oklahoma because our state insurance commissioner said they were acting too much like an insurance company even though they weren't one. Essentially, that meant customers like Karen were left without insurance. Well, since our initial story aired, Karen was finally able to secure new health coverage through our state's high-risk pool coverage. They've since paid for 3 surgeries to remove that many tumors. But Karen's story is far from over, another setback. As News Channel 4's Scott Hines found out, Karen's undergoing new state-of-the-art treatment here at home.
Since the last time you did the story, she's had 3 surgeries in Arizona.
Now another new tumor. This one, though, inoperable, the size of a baseball. Also zeroed in on Karen Niles' good eye.
They couldn't get any doctor in the whole United States that would operate on it.
Why?
Because she'd probably die.
With surgery and traditional X-ray radiation now way too dangerous, Karen and her husband turned to prayer and proton therapy, a precise form of advanced non-traditional radiation treatment that produces minimal side effects.
This is a dose that we know that has a 90% chance of being effective.
We're with Karen's doctor at the ProCure Proton Therapy Center on the city's northwest side.
The goal was to treat the tumor aggressively and try to control it, but also spare the left eye and also spare the normal brain tissue.
The order is tall, but 22 days after starting an intense regimen of proton therapy treatment, Karen's tumor has stopped growing, which for now means Karen won't go blind.
We found out last Friday that the tumor was stable, which is a miracle.
Wednesday, a luncheon to celebrate her major milestone, from student to distinguished graduate.
This is given the 16th day of March, 2010. Congratulations.
The moment moves Karen's husband to tears.
I've got 2 heroes. I've got a little 11-year-old granddaughter that's had cancer 3 times. And she's a fighter. But Karen, over 32 years, has had 30 surgeries. And she is a trooper.
Doctors and staff at ProCure sad to see their star patient go. They poured their heart and soul into her treatment and recovery. Karen will now head back home with her family to Blackwell. Her future looking up, yet uncertain.
I don't know. We're just going to do it one day at a time.
I'm Scott Hines, in your corner.
We wish her luck. ProCure is one of 6 proton therapy centers up and running in the United States. If you have a problem and you'd like Scott in your corner, just head to KFOR.com/inyourcorner or call the number you see on the bottom of your screen. You can also follow Scott and our team on Twitter and Facebook.